What did Mr. Buchanan charge for?
Narcotics trafficking.
Full-time convict.
Isat Buchanan convictions were public knowledge and the people them still choose
Carolyn Warren, who
Yeah.
was at the National Energy Solutions Limited, NESOL. Hold on. The PNP's Shadow Minister of Energy, Philip Paulwell, fired the first. Wait, no, I'm reading something the people have come up to date. The PNP's Shadow Minister of Energy, Philip Paulwell, fired the first salvo as he called for Prime Minister Andrew Holness in his capacity as Minister of Energy to immediately relieve Carolyn
Father
Warren of her
Rusty,
duties
big up
as
yourself
managing
and you
director of
first bust
NESOL,
down
as
here.
he said she has a record of conviction for narcotics
They
trafficking.
try to compare
Buchanan charge for?
this case to Mr.
Narcotics
Buchanan.
trafficking.
But the people them elect Isaac,
Some people say there's a difference.
the
Here's
people
what
them
they
knew
will say,
about his
Carl,
conviction.
and they'd have strong grounds to stand on. They will
I
tell
guess-
you
Okay, go
Yeah.
ahead.
that Isat Buchanan and his record was public knowledge.
Yep.
And the people of East Portland decided that notwithstanding his record, they want him to represent them in Parliament.
Yep.
So therefore, how do you or anybody question the decision of the people?